Users desire the ability to analyze the data in model-driven customer engagement apps, sales, customer service, and field service. Sometimes the reporting capabilities native to these apps do have limitations. So being able to access the power of Power BI within the model-driven apps or to refer to that data directly from the model-driven apps should help us plan for future success. Power BI alternatives in customer engagement applications could include the following. First of all, there's the embedded in a dashboard option. So we can take a report or a dashboard from Power BI and embed it as a customer engagement dashboard. Secondly, we could take that report or similar reports and embed that report on a particular form or record. For example, we may want to take an overview of an opportunity pipeline report, embed that onto a particular account form, and be able to see just the opportunities and the analysis related to that particular account. The third option is to visualize a view. And this is an option that Microsoft has put into model-driven apps in the recent years. And this allows us to take the data from a particular list or view in the model-driven app and start to do some analysis in Power BI with just a click of a button. The fourth option is to launch a custom Power BI report or dashboard from a list of records. And I'll explain each of those and how they work and the pros and cons of each in just a moment. So let's take a look. All right, looking at the 4 different scenarios for Power BI in customer engagement applications, I'm in the Sales Hub here. And what I've done is gone ahead and embedded a custom report from Power BI into a dashboard here. And amongst all of the dashboards that are available in Sales Hub in this particular trial environment, I have a Power BI dashboard that looks like this. Now, here within the dashboard, I can manipulate the data and start to click on various things or slice the data as you would with any other Power BI dashboard. And the downside is that I'm not able to manipulate customer engagement records like I would from a normal dashboard. The second alternative is to embed a report that may be similar to this one or not onto a particular record. And here I have an account form, Coho Winery. Amongst all of the other things that I can look for, I can embed a report onto the record that is particular to this particular record. So here we're looking at Coho Winery, and you can see that amongst all of the opportunities, I've filtered the records down to just this particular account record. The third option is to visualize this view. And this is the functionality that's been around for a little while now. And if I tap on Visualize a View from this particular list, you'll see that I jump out into Power BI. And this will start to build the report for me. I can pre-select the fields or columns that I want to put into the resulting report. I'll just let it generate it without that for a moment. And you can see that it has taken a look at some potential fields for us to do analysis from. It gives you a little bit of a text, but I'll start to manipulate this, maybe take probability out, maybe put estimated close date in, and it continues to try to regenerate a report that's important to me as I work. Now, I can take this particular report and save it to Power BI service, and then use that report again and again. The downside of this is when I tap on Visualize this view, we'll go through that same process again. I can't actually tag it to a particular report that's been saved or modified. All right, the fourth option, I thought, since I can't tag that to a particular report that's been modified and saved, I thought maybe I would add a button here using the Command FX functionality in Power Apps and actually create a report that users would work with over and over again. So if I tap on this, you'll see again, we launch Power BI. Here's pretty much the same report that we've been working with throughout our example. And in this situation, users can work through this particular dashboard and figure out how they can best serve their customers going forward.